Hey, welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where feature stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. I'm very honored to be here today at Clapham. I'm joined by the most important person in development football in South Africa. Ma'am Chantal, please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hello viewers, my name is Chantal Wiseman and I'm the Head of Development for Highlands Park Football Club.
The Head of Development for Highlands Park. Ma'am Chantal, after your introduction, I know you are doing a great job for Highlands Park. Can you please tell me, I see you are hands-on every day from under 14 to under 19. You are really hands-on, whether home or away. What is your role when, as Chantal, to this Highlands Park development team?
Well, not only are my responsibilities to the admin and to sort out information between us and SAFA and the parents, my role is really to assist the coaches, make their lives easier, to help them prepare for the on the day, on the match information handling. I personally take very good care of the boys, the children. They're like my own. I adore them. They're not only are my boys on the field, I'm worried about them during school time, their exams. They're just good kids, and I think they deserve every opportunity they can to feel loved, to shine, and to do their very best, and know they're supported on and off the field.
As Ma'am Chantal has said, we need to support these kids on and off the field. And Ma'am Chantal, how is the relationship with you and your parents?
I think we have a great relationship. We have a mutual respect. I think they're outstanding. I've got parents who didn't even have kids playing today that showed up to support my under 19.
The team, yes.
We are one club, we are one family, and we are united behind each and every player, regardless if they're related to us or not.
Our parents at home, it's very important to support our kids and support our team. And my last question, Ma'am Chantal, you have had you have had a great team for years now.
Yes, sir.
How do you keep this same standard for these years? Because you were supposed to win the league for the third time today.
Okay, so you know what, in my mind, it really boils down to my coach. He is 100% spot on with what he's looking for, what he needs when he selects, and also the fact that he is like me. Not one player do we not know personally, and we invested in on and off the field. This man is a mentor and a guide to everyone, and I think that is such a positive influence, and that encourages the players to perform for him because they don't want to let him and themselves down.
Thank you very much, our viewers.